Hello, short little tutorial for you today. Lots of people have been calling me asking me how to make a purchase of a combo package using CashGold. Now, why would you want to use CashGold? Well, lots of banks and card companies will not allow you to make cryptocurrency purchases. So if your card is being blocked from making any cryptocurrency purchases, then you can use CashGold to make your purchase. And your card company will allow you to buy CashGold. So this is the bridge, if you like, between getting crypto and being able to use your credit card or debit card to get it. So we go to carrotbars.com first of all. Whenever you go to carrotbars.com, go to product purchase, scroll down until you see CashGold and you'll see Carrot Pay CashGold. Open that and the page in front of you will be revealed. Once you get into this page, you will see here we have Carrot Pay CashGold, and down here we have quantity. Now you can do this in the bigger cards, but for the purposes of this example, it doesn't really matter how you buy the CashGold because the CashGold is all stored electronically. So we'll put in here 745. I think that will take me, okay, so 7,745 0.1 gram CashGold is worth 3,099 euros. Now, a 3K combo pack costs 3,000 euros, obviously, but there is around about a 3.1% fee, 3.2% fee, which would bring it to 3,090 euros worth of CashGold that you need. So just to be a little bit over, I'm going to put 3,099 euros and 20. And what I'll do then is I'll add that to my cart here. We then will go up to the cart up here. I have now 3,099 worth of CashGold, so I will view cart. We go on then to the next page. I have my CashGold here. I go to checkout then. Again, this CashGold is only going to be delivered electronically. All right, so you're not going to have this CashGold delivered. So tick, tick. And then we'll go to next again. You'll see a section here for bonus cards and profit cards. Bonus cards and profit cards are not applicable to CashGold purchases, so forget about that. We'll go to the next page. Obviously, this will be going into storage. We will then click on next, and then you have the choice of choosing a bank wire. If you want to send a bank wire in, a PDF will be generated with the different bank accounts. There's a United States bank account, there's a UK bank account, there's European bank accounts. So you can choose which one you want to send the money to. An invoice will be created, and the invoice will be created up here under invoices, and it will show as pending. Whenever you send the money from your bank to the Carrotbars bank, the accountancy team will check the account. They check the accounts daily, and whenever they see the money in the account, they will link it up with the invoice that is here, and they will credit that CashGold to your account. If you've got a Carrotbars prepaid MasterCard, you could use it, or you can use credit card, debit card, Bitcoin. Loads of people are using Bitcoin now to make their purchases. If you choose any of those, for example, bank wire, I click pay now, and that's the purchase made. So that's your purchase made on carrotbars.com. Your gold will now be in your Carrot Pay account. So your Carrot Pay account is up here. And then you'll see here it says load e-wallet. Now you will need to click on load e-wallet, and you will need to move the gold from your storage into your electronic e-wallet. Okay, so log into your Carrot Pay account. If you haven't set it up, you can set it up there. Load your e-wallet with all of the CashGold that you've just bought, because whenever you go to carrotgold.sg to buy your combo pack, it needs to be in your e-wallet. So please remember to do this step. Click on there and load the gold into your e-wallet. So we'll move now over to CarrotGold. Now this is really easy, because at the top of the Carrotbars website now you'll notice there's a little button here that says switch to CarrotGold. So you just simply need to click that now, and that will take you through to the carrotgold.sg website where you can buy your combo pack. The great thing about the carrotgold.sg website is it uses exactly the same login as carrotbars.com. So click on switch, it will take you over there, same username and password to log in, and that will get you into the carrotgold.sg website. So let's go straight over there now. So we go over to the carrotgold.sg website. Whenever you log in, you'll see product purchase. You scroll down until you click on combo packages, and you will see the combo package here. So you can read more information on the combo pack. You get 3,000 worth of KCB plus a 60% bonus. And on top of that, you get a 120% bonus on top of that as well. This bonus is, as far as we are aware right now, on the 25th of October, finishing on October the 31st. So you get 3,000 worth of KCB, you get an 1,800 euro bonus, which is 60% KCB on top of that, And this is the exciting thing, you get 750 euros worth of KBC. Now, please remember, as of the event in Miami, Harold Seitz has told us that he's guaranteeing that every 100 KCB or every 100 KBC on the 4th of July next year will be convertible into 1 gram of gold. So you know what that 750 is worth if you just take what that will be worth on the 1st of July. So this makes the 3,000 combo package an amazing purchase. So you want to make your purchase, obviously it's 3,000 euros. You've got your 3,100 in your card pay. So we'll go then to checkout. So we'll click checkout here. Again, this is really, really quick and really, really easy. Click the 3 boxes again for your terms and conditions. We'll go through now. You'll see the bonus cards as before. Click next again. And now this time we want to use card pay payment. All right, so we want to use card pay payment and we want to pay now. So you'll see that the amount of Unival is 743.46. And you'll remember that I put 745 into the box previously. So we'll click on pay now. And that will then open up the card pay portal where you can make your purchase. Okay, so you see the amount of Unival that you need. So the total amount is 743. You know we've got 745 in there, so we've got enough to cover that. And then you just process payment. You use your card pay login there and you click on process payment, and that takes the payment straight out of your account. So you can see it's really, really easy. It's really easy. You use the same process if you're buying a 5K, if you're buying a 5K combo pack, then you put in 5K plus 3%. I use about 3.2% add on to that. Same with an 8K and same with the 15K combo pack as well. So this exact same purchase. Go to cardbars.com and buy your CashGold first. Then go to cardgold.sg, which is over here. Go to cardgold.sg and then you buy your combo pack. So really, really quick, really, really easy. If you need any help with this, please do get back to your sponsor. They'll be more than glad to help you with your purchase. And please remember that this is time sensitive. As I make this video on the 25th of October, the opportunity to get these bonuses and get the KBC bonuses ends 31st of October. So thanks very much for watching. I hope that's been useful, and let you go and get your combo pack purchased. Thanks very much.